Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN in OmeTV for Android. So here, if you use OmeTV for a random video chat or query algorithm, you have to update your OmeTV first. Or if you don't have, you can try to download it for free. So you can use this video chat and open the world of unlimited fun just with one swipe with friends from another country. So here, also in or sometimes when you change the country in OmeTV, the location is not precise. Maybe you change to you are from your native country. When you change the country, like US or Germany or any country that you want, the location is not precise enough. You still find your friend from your native country. So maybe with the VPN or an application that can change your location, you can find precisely your new friend from another country. So for example, you can download any VPN that you can find, but the trusted one I recommend you, like Turbo VPN or Super VPN, Thunder VPN, and so on. So after you download VPN, for example, let's try download it one. You can change the location from your VPN, then you can open your OmeTV, for example. So here, this is the VPN. So you can start free trial for pro mode. So you can tap to connect. Then this VPN will finding the fastest server for you. And this VPN choose United States for now. So you can close the VPN. Now open the OmeTV. Now you can tap country, and as you can see, there is a United States and Indonesia from the VPN. So you can choose a country. This is the United States, and try to start in order to chat randomly. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.